Any type of organizational development rotates on the pivot of controlling. And controlling is the function of management. Controlling process is a gigantic task, important task, Herculean task for developing any type of organization. Is it clear? And you have to establishing the parameter, a standard parameter, in which a standard I have to work. That is to say, I have to maintain a standard. And against a standard, what is your actual performance? This is required to observe. So, you have to prepare, first of all, SOP, a standard operating procedure. That is to say, you have to establish first a standard performance. Now, then you will require to observe the actual performance. Observe the actual performance. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
And you have to compare between a standard performance and actual performance. Compare between a standard performance and actual performance. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Compare, and if deviations are found out, if deviations are found out, then corrective action is required. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
If deviation are found out, then corrective action is required. And there are various types of tools you have to know. No, you will to adopt technology also. You can go through ERP, Enterprise Resource Planning, and it will clear total data. It will provide you customization alert. It will provide you a stock alert, theft alert, a stock alert, sales alert, and if you will go through this type of alert, then you will be able to manage all types of departments. No? Is it clear? And you have to adopt different types of tools to control the organization. Budgetary control, quality control, maintenance control, management information system. And you have to audit and inspection also. That is to say, and then you will perform better. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
And in brief, you can say that controlling process, first of all, you have to make a SOP, establish a standard performance. Then you are required to observe the actual performance and compare between a standard performance and actual performance. If deviations are found out, then corrective action is required. And controlling differ according to department. It varies department to department. In the hotel industry, in the case of hospitality industry, in the case of FMCG industries, that is to say, in which industry are you working, it depends upon organization. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Thanks a lot.